How's it going, everyone? Landan with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a set of our bare finish SVE Cobra-style calipers and will explain the detailed process on how you properly assemble a Cobra-style caliper. Now, these particular calipers and brackets are brand new castings. The caliper housings already have the piston seals, pistons, dust boots, and bleeder screws pre-installed. I'm going to go into further detail on brake pad installation, caliper bracket placement, and how you finish the assembly off with the locating pin and its associated hardware. All right, to get things started with the installation, we're going to be showing you on the driver's side caliper. So what we have here on the table is, of course, the driver's side caliper itself, driver's side caliper bracket, brake pad retaining pin, the pin washer, and the E-clip. Also have a banjo bolt, 2 crush washers, brake pads, flare nut wrench, 10mm, and a pair of needle nose pliers. All right, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to verify that our bleeder is good to go. To do this, I'm going to remove the rubber cap, take my 10mm flare nut wrench. An open-end wrench will work for this, but flare nut wrench gets a little bit better bite. You'll unscrew it, check your threads, make sure everything is good to go. Do not put sealer on this, reinstall it, and then just snug it back down, and reinstall your cap. Flip the caliper over, remove the rubber plug from the banjo bolt fitting. You want to inspect the threads, and then just to double check, take a banjo bolt, run it down until the top thread on the banjo bolt tucks in to the caliper. At that point, you can remove it and then reinstall the plug. Now, to determine what brake pad you need with whatever side caliper you're working on, associate the bleeder valve or bleeder screw with the holes in the brake pads. Remember that the bleeder valve or screw always faces up, so associate the holes in each pad with the direction of the bleeder. Also note that the outermost pad will have 2 anti-rattle clips, and the innermost pad will only have 1 anti-rattle clip. This is the side that will be installed into the caliper piston themselves. Before installing the pads into the caliper, you'll need to store some brake part lubricant and apply the lubricant to any metal contact point on which the pad will make contact with the caliper and caliper bracket. With the pads now determined to the caliper you're working on, go ahead and rotate your caliper up and align the crown on the back of the pad with the pistons. Press it into place. Flip the caliper over, align the crowns on the outermost pad, the caliper, and then fully seat the pad. Align your caliper bracket with the brake pad and caliper. This will only install one way. You'll slide it all the way over the brake pad ears and verify that the anti-rattle clips are touching the caliper bracket. To install the caliper pin, push down on the bracket, slide the pin through the groove until the head of the pin bottoms out against the caliper bracket. On the back side of the bracket, take one of the provided washers, slide it over the pin, and then use your needle nose pliers with the E-clip and fully seat clip into the groove on the pin. That completes the correct steps on how to assemble a 94-04 Mustang Cobra caliper. All in all here, fellas, this isn't a difficult process at all. More than likely, you're watching the video because this is your first time assembling a Cobra-style caliper. At first, it's a little confusing trying to determine what pad goes where. Once you figure that out, it's a piece of cake. Now, for the most up-to-date product pricing and information on anything shown in the video, be sure and check out LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.